So the past few weeks have been really stressful back at the unit, so we needed a break. So because we couldn't use the unit because of the ongoing works, we thought we'd take a little bit of a break. So we found this lovely little river spot about 10 miles outside of Chester. Dexter is absolutely loving this, trying to chase the boats as well, but as you can see, I don't know if I get him back. Still at that stage where most of his recall is brilliant, as long as he can see me or hear me. If he goes swimming, he's not going to be able to see me or hear me, but he is loving swimming. Look at his little face. To be honest, if this feels a bit strange as an intro to a video, that's because I hadn't actually intended on making a video of this. I was just concerned with unwinding and having a bit of downtime. And as you may have worked out already by some of the signs on the floor and the speed limit signs, we're in Wales. And we stayed just next to the canal, just near Corwin, I think it was, at the Sun Trevor, which is a lovely pub. Food was great, and yeah, it's an overnight stop. And because we're always drawn to water, we decided in the pub that we were going to go to Shell Island, which is a fantastic campsite right on the coast. Betty. Betty. This place is so cool. It's about £12 a night, plus a few quid for the dogs as well. And yeah, these two managed to find 2 balls in the bush as well. How cool is that? Getting a slap. Yeah, this is such a cool place. Can't recommend it enough. Shell Island. I'll put a link in the description down below. Such a great place. Very unique. Pretty much park wherever you want, as long as you're not on somebody else's doorstep, kind of like we are right now. But you know, that's all right, because most of the time Mandy's okay with me being right there. We've headed a bit further down the coast now to a little town, and I mean little town, called Fairborn. Little railway station, but mainly we came here because there's a little air. Everything's little. £10 a night. So yeah, what a bargain. Did you know that Fairborn also has a lovely Indian restaurant? So with our bellies full, we went to sleep and decided on a new plan. We're going to head inland. So normally we'd be heading this way to look at the plains, and that actually was the plan, but the weather got pretty bad, so I ended up in Machynlleth, probably going to butcher that, but hey ho, near the Mac Loop. Found a nice little cafe, sadly it was shut, so found another little cafe that's actually next to the leisure centre, where you're allowed to stay for 24 hours. £6 I think it was for the 2 vans, so £3 each, and yeah, enjoyed walking the dogs around the park. And also this cafe was absolutely lovely. And, well, it's me, so that's just about as much people-y time that I can do. I need a bit of no people time. Definitely more rural location incoming.
such an epic place to drive, Wales, especially mid Wales. Just, yeah, the scenery and the remoteness, just brilliant. And this was the remote park-up we were looking for. And it was brilliant, as you can see. But I did say was. I mean, it is still brilliant. But, oh, what the weather let loose on us that night. So around 3:30 in the morning, we decided enough was enough. We needed to move. Not only were the dogs scared and shaking, but the vans were making some awful noises like we were just going to get blown over. So we decided, pack up and head for shelter.